Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can put your tickets and work items on Jira on hold. For example, if you and your team members have stopped working on it temporarily. So let us dive right into it. Head over to your Jira project. Let me go with that Kanban project here. You may go with a board view, a list view, timeline, or backlog. I will go with board view. So guys, there are basically three different ways how you can label your tasks or work items or tickets as on hold. So as you can see, I added a label to this ticket here. Then I created also a separate status for on hold here. To create such a status, guys, that would be option number one. Simply click into that plus button here inside your board view and name your new column on hold like that. I can't do it again because there can't be duplicate statuses, as you can see, so I can't do it again, but that's basically it. So after that, you will be given the opportunity to simply move the given work item to the given status. That's option number one. Option number two would be to change the given ticket's status inside your tickets customization. Here through the status drop-down menu at the top, simply click into it and select on hold. And assign it to or assign your work item to that new status. And number three, guys, would be to simply label your work item as on hold. You may do that by simply clicking into this field here next to labels and select on hold. As you can see, I created already a label like this. I can't create it again. And remember also, guys, that there are no labels possible with spaces, so you will need to use an underline like this. Simply select your label or create one by typing it in here to create a new label, just like that. So that's option number three. And option number four would be to simply add a separate field for on hold. As you can see, I added it already here. By clicking into that gear icon here, edit fields, and by clicking into create fields here, and by selecting your field type, as well as adding your field name, like I did here, for example, on hold. So it will be added to that details list of fields here, so that you can click into it and simply create a custom status for that field, like yes or affirmative if the given task is on hold, or no or not if it's not on hold. And that's basically it, guys. As you can see, these tickets have been labeled properly as on hold or assigned to the given status. That's how you put tickets on Jira on hold. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.